Welcome back to my channel and to my garage. My t-shirt is not a provocation. I just feel like a Honda t-shirt today. There is no other reason than that. Come on. Okay, here we go. Bloody hell. Why? Okay. I have finally succeeded. These rubbers are just very difficult to get in, but I'm finally in the right place. As you can see now, the rubbers are much deeper into the throttle bodies and they are sitting much nicer here and the other side as well. And this is exactly how they're supposed to be, but they were not like that when I was removing the airbox, and that means the guys from the service didn't do proper job. They didn't insert properly the airbox. By the way, this throttle body is very dirty here. I don't know why. I need to check that, because it might be that the airbox doesn't fit properly here and I'm getting left air in a throttle body, and that's not good. So I need to investigate. So my engine did get too much air. Well, so now I need to fasten the bolts on the throttle bodies. And as you can see, it's absolutely different story how this rubber is sitting on the throttle body. It's very deep. I'm gonna show you the footage when I was showing you these bolts before I removed the airbox, and you will see the difference. But this is how it should be. This is correct. So if you ask me again, why am I doing my own service? Well, here we go. God damn it.